about DECA is that it makes me challenge myself in ways that I didn't think were possible, and I learned so many new things, and I get to share those experiences with new friends that I made.
DECA is a continuous learning experience for me. It's all about the friendships and memories I've made thanks to all the people who encouraged me to do it.
DECA has been a great learning opportunity that I've made so many friends through. It's taught me so many new things and prepared me for the future.
Through DECA, I have developed public speaking skills, and as PR coordinator for my chapter, I have discovered my love for event planning.
DECA has helped me learn about new cultures through business.
DECA is important to me because the club itself is international. I moved here from Charlotte, North Carolina to Hoover, Alabama, and it was the one constant in my life between schools.
Because of DECA, I have had the opportunity to open multiple small businesses in my community.
Through DECA, I've discovered my passion for business, and I've made a bunch of great friendships.
DECA means
Awesome sauce.
Taking risks.
Inspiring.
Fun.
Family!
friendship.
Travel.